How to buy Bitcoin with PayPal. Cryptocurrency is for people here. You can now buy and sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with your PayPal account. It is easier than ever to buy cryptocurrency with PayPal. All you have to do is make sure you stick to this video to the end, because at the end of this video, I will guide you step by step on how I buy Bitcoin with my PayPal account. PayPal is one of a few popular mobile and online payment platforms now, but most users find it difficult to buy cryptocurrency with their phones, especially those from African countries like Nigeria. What are the benefits of buying Bitcoin with PayPal? 1. Quick deposit. The first benefit of buying Bitcoin with PayPal is deposits are processed instantly. This means that you can buy Bitcoin without needing to wait for 1 to 2 working days, as is the case with different bank wire transfers. 2. Encrypted. In using a regulated broker, you can be assured that your login details are encrypted. This means that no one will be able to see details, including username and password, that you enter when making the deposit. 3. Pre-saved payment details. When you select to buy Bitcoin with your PayPal, your debit or credit card details will already be saved via your wallet account. As such, you are not required to enter your payment details at the chosen Bitcoin broker. 4. No scam zone. When using PayPal to purchase Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency, you do not need to worry about being scammed. This is because PayPal offers purchase protection for buyers, which covers you if something goes wrong with your deposit. Now let me show you the video of how to purchase Bitcoin with PayPal, but before that, if you are new to this channel, do well to like the video and subscribe to Roladel Business so that you'll be the first person to get notified anytime we drop another interesting video like this.